Ty with Credit Suite with a quick business credit and funding tip on how to use vendors to start building initial business credit. Now, a vendor, a line of credit, is when a company or a vendor extends a line of credit to you on terms like net 15, net 30, net 60, or net 90-day terms. Okay, this means that you have that much time to pay back the balance of what you borrow in its entirety. So, for example, if you borrow $300 and you have net 30 terms, then that means you have 30 days to pay back that full $300 that you borrowed. Now, you can get products and services for your business that it actually needs and ease cash flow and also build your business credit at the same time using these kind of vendor accounts. And the cool thing is that some vendors will actually give you revolving credit on terms like net 30, net 45, or net 60 with as little as just having your EIN set up and having your phone number listed with 411. So for more information on building your business credit, visit us online at creditsuite.com.